Have you ever unboxed your Logitech for Creators Blue Yeti microphone and not find the instructions in the box? That could be a little bit frustrating, especially if you want to know how to set up your Blue Yeti in the correct way. Were the instructions intentionally left out to create space? I mean, how much real estate does a sheet of paper take up? Not even a low down and dirty quick start guide. But you know what? If you go to the Amazon listing for this microphone and you take time to sit, really, humor me, okay? We all have the attention spans of gnats. But if you take the time to sit and go through the listing for this Blue Yeti mic, you will find the quick start guide and the user guide under the heading of product guides and documents. To be fair, the quick start guide is a couple of pages long, so it'd be like a booklet, and the user guide is 20 pages long. They're both PDFs. I can see how Blue Yeti wanted to free up space to pack their product more snugly into its box. I will leave links to both guides in the description box below. And if you want to know more about this mic, I will also leave a link to that. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you in the next video.